Hi everyone, this is Anthony Christou from Luminous Ages. Today I'm going to show you my studio build process. I actually turned my backyard garage into a full-blown art studio with electrical, windows, lighting, all sorts of amazing stuff. And it was a lengthy process for me to do so. We had to actually gyprock everything, create timber framing so that we could actually create extra walls because we didn't want to be living in a heated shed. I had to install all this insulation in the roof, in the walls, and it was a nightmare because there was a lot of these metal brackets in this old garage. I think it was a 1970s garage. And we had to also, I suppose, cut out all the walls. So these, you could see before that there weren't those windows there. We actually get a grinder. I had to get a grinder with my friends and cut those windows and doors out of nothing. So we basically had to cut off all the cast iron, and there you go, it was done. We also had to paint the whole studio. So as you can see, this is the painted version. This is after all the hard work, and it has a great amount of lighting coming into the actual studio, so you can actually paint and get beautiful lighting for when you're painting during the day. But not only that, we actually spent time and put a whole new electrical system in there, so we had great lighting at night and also had electrical running throughout the whole studio. So there's actually about 7 power points, 2 Ethernet ports. So it cost me probably around about $2,000 in electrical work to make sure that this was working. All up, it probably cost me, with all the, even with recycled wood, recycled windows, recycled doors, and free labor, it still cost me probably anywhere from probably $7,000 to $10,000 because I had to hire some extra help. But you can see here, it's all set up now, and these are all my paintings and the studio. I've got plants in there growing over the framing work as well. And so I've got like a drawing desk. I have also my computers, 2 computers, and this is the lovely view I have every day. You can see out there into the garden and into the ocean views. I have bookshelves with art references, my board games, and of course storage cupboards to store all my equipment in there. And that's the desk for my assistant as well. And you can see this has got a very old frame, so I've got my plants growing over the frame. And here we also have paintings and stuff. And look, I've even got other glass cabinets and all sorts of cool stuff happening here. This is for all my dice designs, and of course my master's degree in art. And so I'll let you have a look at this, and thanks for watching. And I want to thank all my friends and family who were also able to help in making this happen. Without my best friends, without Daniel, without Tim, without Ross, without my family members, Uncle Nick, my cousin Zach, who donated all the free supplies, simply because he was demolishing a house, I was not able to, I suppose, recycle and make this also an eco-friendly space, so it's environmentally friendly. A lot of the gear was all donated, so it was basically a lot of hard work and labor between me and my friends, and we got there, and the family. And also I want to thank my father for just being a supervisor and being the boss and telling me what to do. He couldn't do much because he's retired now and he's got riddled with arthritis, but he was an ex-plumber and builder himself, so he was able to just guide me and give me advice. And he actually was really insightful in doing this, and he gave me so many tips. And I think without him, his tips, and just watching me and him telling me off and basically telling me what to do and what not to do, I don't think we would have been able to do this. So thanks to everyone, Mum, Dad, friends, also all my fans who were very patient in waiting for art to come out. The studio was done. This was finished a couple years ago, but it's taken me this long to actually release a video to show you all what my studio looks like. And for those of you that are super fans, I think you would love this because it shows all my published works, my puzzles, my books are in here, published dice, board games. Every single product I've ever released is in here, plus every single Supernova pass. I've been a guest at all the Supernovas since 2021. And here's a beautiful sunset for you. So thank you for watching, and catch you in the next video.